Hey everyone, welcome back to the Motordog channel. So today in this video we'll be seeing top cars that are coming under the price bracket under 5 lakh rupees. So let's begin. Here I have listed top cars that are falling under rupees 5 lakh, that is based on their ex-showroom price but not on their on-road price. So let's begin. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will stay updated on all the latest uploads. So the first car in the list is Alto 800. Price starts at rupees 2.99 lakhs to 4.6 lakhs. This car is powered by a 796cc 3-cylinder petrol engine available in petrol and CNG options. It is the most affordable car in the lineup. The ARAI fuel efficiency is claimed at 22.05 km per liter for petrol and 31.59 kmpl for the CNG version. Known for its easy maneuverability and city driving manners, this is the most popular car in the Indian car market, having record sales figures and topping the sales chart list. Perhaps the only disadvantage being the absence of an automatic variant. The next car in the lineup is from the house of Renault, that is the Renault Kwid. Price starts at 3.18 to 5.47 lakhs. This comes in two engine options, that is a 799cc 3-cylinder petrol engine and a 999cc 3-cylinder petrol engine, the latter getting both manual and automatic options. The claimed fuel efficiency is said to be around 21 kmpl. However, this lacks a CNG option, so if you want a funky looking family car with an AMT gearbox, go ahead for the Kwid. The next car in the lineup is again a Maruti. So this time it is the Maruti Suzuki Espresso. So the price starts in between 3.78 lakhs to 5.4 lakhs. This is the latest entrant in the segment, powered by 999cc BS6 petrol engine producing 50 horsepower and produces 90 Nm torque at 3000 rpm. This is available both in manual and AMT avatars. ARAI rated mileage is claimed to be around 21.7 km for petrol and 31.2 for the CNG. Marketed as a mini SUV, so if you want to buy a car which looks and feels like a SUV due to its upright stance and high ground clearance, and those people who miss the AMT gearbox in the Alto 800 can go for the Maruti Suzuki Espresso. The next car is from the house of Datsun, that is the Datsun Radico. Price starts in between 3.83 to 5.29 lakhs. This car comes with two engine options, that is 799cc and 999cc petrol engine available in both manual and AMT gearbox, the latter coming up with an AMT option. This car doesn't get a CNG option. Fuel efficiency is claimed at 20.71 to 22 km per liter. The new generation has a whole lot of kit, but overall length is less compared to the other previous cars. Well, you have a Maruti for every price range. So next car in the list is Maruti Suzuki Eco. Price starts in between 4.08 to 5.29 lakhs. This is powered by a 1196cc petrol engine producing a max output of 54 horsepower tuned at 6000 rpm with a 5-speed manual transmission. Available in 5 or 7 seat configuration, it also has a CNG option, making it a very good overall package. Fuel efficiency is claimed at 16.11 km for the petrol and 20.88 km for the CNG. So if you want a big family car which is below rupees 5 lakh and which is also light on the pocket, then go for Maruti Suzuki Eco. The next car is also from the house of Maruti, that is the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Price starts in between 4.6 to 5.9 lakhs. This is powered by a 3-cylinder 998cc petrol engine producing an output of 50 horsepower at 6000 rpm. Available in both manual and AMT gearboxes, and also you have the option of CNG as well. Claimed fuel efficiency is at 21.63 km for the petrol and 30.47 km for the CNG version, making it an interesting option. Also, this is also due for a complete update, so stay tuned for the new upcoming Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Next car is from the house of Hyundai, that is the Hyundai Santro. Again, after relaunching it in the latest years, the price starts at 4.63 to 6.4 lakhs, powered by the familiar 1086cc 4-cylinder petrol engine producing a healthy output of 69 horsepower at 5500 rpm, available both in manual and AMT gearbox, which they call the Smart Auto AMT. Surprisingly, this is also available in CNG as well. This is the only car in the segment to get rare work confidence. Fuel economy for the petrol is claimed at 20.63 km per liter for the petrol and 30.5 km per kg for the CNG variant. After Auto 800, if there is any car in this particular price bracket which is very popular, that is nothing but the Maruti Suzuki WagonR. Price starts at 4.8 to 6.33 lakhs. This is one of the most popular car known for its practicality. This time around, WagonR has grown wider and longer, adding its to stability and road presence. There is also more space on offer with a bigger luggage space this time around. This comes in two engine options, that is 1 liter and 1.2 liter petrol engine with both manual and AMT gearboxes. Claimed ARAI fuel efficiency is at 21.79 and 20.52 km per liter respectively. On the other hand, this also comes with a factory fitted CNG option with a healthy mileage range of 32.52 km per kg. Well, much appreciated that Maruti has made a lot of additions by adding a lot of kit to this. Next car in the range is also from the house of Maruti, but from their premium range, that is Nexa. That is the Maruti Suzuki Ignis. Ignis had been launched for the millennials. Since the launch, this time around hasn't seen much change except the cosmetic changes. Powered by the same familiar 1197cc petrol engine, made it to a 5-speed manual and AMT gearbox. Named the tough urban SUV, surprisingly the Ignis handles well both in city as well as in the highways. So if you want a premium brand with a premium experience, then go for the Maruti Suzuki Ignis. Last but not the least, the safest car in this particular price bracket and this particular segment, that is nothing but the Tata Tiago. Rated 4 stars in the global NCAP, the price starts at 4.99 to 6.43 lakhs. This is one of the safest car in the price range and Tata Motors has really nailed it. Comes with a 1.2 liter Revotron engine producing 86 horsepower at the range of 113 Nm of torque, equipped with both manual and automatic gearbox. Claimed fuel efficiency is around 23 km per liter, which is quite impressive. So if you want to buy a safer car for your family along with good amount of space for the passengers and also in the boot, go for the Tata Tiago. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on the auto industry. Thank you very much. Take care.